Hello, everyone. Are you guys facing a problem keeping a balance between your personal life and professional life while working from home? If that's true, then this complete series is for you. Because in this complete series, I'm going to talk about many such tips and tricks and hacks that you really need to imbibe in your day to day routine so that you can create a great balance between your personal life and professional life. And all these tips and tricks are proven by science and they are backed by data research. Hi, this is Rajat Khatri. I'm a certified happiness coach, Amazon bestseller, and I'm also at a leadership position in one of the reputed organizations. Therefore, I can really feel the pain when you can't focus on your work because of your personal affairs. And it's therefore very critical to keep a balance between your personal and professional life, especially when you're working from home. So in this video, I'm going to talk about three such things that you need to imbibe in your routine before the work starts. Number one, set up a routine. That means you go to your workstation at the same time every single day. If your work starts at 10, then you make sure that you are at your workstation at around 9:55, max till 10:05. Don't change your routine something like you are starting your work someday at 8 a.m. and another day is at 12 noon. Stick to this routine and you will suddenly feel that every day your body is actually making you prepared for a work at around 10. Number two, get ready. When I say get ready, have your breakfast, take your bath, and wear some formal clothes or the clothes which you will actually be wearing to your office in case the offices are open. Don't do this that you are sitting at your bed and in your nightwear and you're just starting your work. Don't do that. Make yourself professionally ready for the work. Number three, create a list of all the things to do and the things that you want to complete on that particular day. That means you have it very clear what exactly you want to achieve on that particular day. Once again, I'm repeating the three things that you need to do. Number one, set up a routine and stick to that timetable. Number two, get ready. Have your breakfast done and be professionally ready for the work. And number three, create a list of all the things that you want to accomplish at that particular day. With these three hacks, you will be mentally prepared for work on that particular day. Please subscribe to my channel for more of such hacks which are proven by science and data that they really work and people are actually making it as a part of their day-to-day routine to improve their productivity at work while working from home. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.